You love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you sit right here.
What up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today, as seen on the title, we are here with a hair video. Finally, I'm going to be showing you guys how I install, bleach the knot, tweeze, customize and style this lovely kinky curly hair. Now this hair is in 20 inches. It is a pre-made custom wig. I am going to be putting this hair and reversing the wig. The bleach I'm going to be using is this highlighting kit by Blonde. What you're going to be needing is this mixing bowl. The kit comes with a 40% developer. We are going to be mixing this into the bowl, and make sure you mix it in a thick consistency, because the last thing you want is for it to be a little bit thin. That's gonna seep through the lace. Now we're gonna apply the bleach onto the lace. So like I said, make sure that the mixture is a little bit thick. Now we are going to be applying this all over the lace front. So I'm gonna set my timer for 20 minutes. I do not want to leave it more than that, as it can get a little bit orangey. So 20 minutes later, we are going to be rinsing off that bleach. To wash it off first, I'm going to be using the silver shampoo, and this is going to get rid of any brassiness that the bleach may cause. Make sure you wash it both inside and outside of the wig.
You love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high.
Using this TrendyMakeovers shampoo, I'm going to be using it to wash the wig.
Here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you sit right here.
Curly hair is a little bit of a hard thing to maintain, therefore it sheds a lot. This is all the shedding that I got from washing the wig, which is very normal when it comes to curly hair. Then I'm going to go ahead and use this TRENDYMAKE conditioner, which is very good for moisturizing. So I'm going to apply it all over the hair, and then I'm going to leave it on for 30 minutes. This is going to make the hair so much softer and easier to style.
Now you can go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low.
It's time to rinse the conditioner off.
I'm jacked up and I'm banked up and I'm hella fat. You bend it down and you poke it up.
Be aware not to use any towel that is new. If you have any old towels, use it, because the bleach will do this to your towels. So whilst the hair is wet, I'm going to go ahead and detangle all the curls and brush it through. And as you can see, the knots are looking perfect.
You elevated. I'm jacked up and I'm banked up and I'm
On to customizing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to part the hair in front. This is the first row that I'm going to be parting.
You bend it down and you poke it up and you
Then using a tweezer, we are going to be tweezing behind that part. How I like to tweeze is I like to move my hands and just like go back and forth.
I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk.
So make sure that line is not straight. So we are going to be tweezing in and out, back and forth.
That's hangover, might run it back when this page over. You the best thing, I done slaved over. Gon' arch you back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing. Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing. Like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want. You was rocking with me when I couldn't stay afloat.
And this is everything that I tweeze from this wig.
They ain't never saying nothing wavy to a boat, like eyes up.
Now we're going to comb the hair backwards, because we are going to be tweezing the front of this hairline. So to do this, I'm basically just tweezing section by section. So I'm not doing it too close, because the last thing you want is to create a bald patch. So you have to make sure that when you tweeze a spot, you need to move about 2 inches and tweeze that section, and then move another 2 inch or 1 inch to tweeze another section. And voila, look at that hairline. Jeez.
Look at me now, I'm the captain. Brought the camera, time for action. Split the legs just like a fraction. Tuck the napkin, time.
So to style this hair, I am going to be doing a center parting. I'm going to use this leave-in conditioner. This is Little Jacker for kids. This is for my daughter's hair, but it is amazing to use on your wigs as well. And then I'm going to use this argan oil to give the hair a little bit of sheen and moisture, and also bring the luster back.
For snacking, you a motherfucking meal. Tell me that it's mine, baby, tell me that it's real.
Then I'm going to use this wax stick by Sister's Touch, and this is going to tame the hair and make sure it sits just the way I want it.
Hit it to the max, well, tell me how it feel. It's gonna be a minute, cause I'm in it for the thrill. Make her feel like heaven, she gon' put me in the wheel, and willingly I wanna do anything she wanna do. I ain't even wanna boo, but
so I'm gonna use a hot comb to comb through this hair. Hot combs just makes everything easier. If you want to style your hair and you want it to stay just that way, sometimes it's harder for them to behave the way you want it to. So use the hot comb to manipulate the hair. I'm going to be using this hot comb a lot in this video.
this is what the karma do. It's hard to be apart from you, cause ooh, I
Love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low.
And look at this hair, look at the curls, the texture, everything looks amazing. Okay, I want to try the ball cap method. You guys, I am not good at this, so don't judge me. I'm just trying. It's my second time doing this and I'm not perfect.
Make you sit right here.
So I'm going to use the Got To Be glue spray to just spray and stick on the wig cap.
You can't go back home.
I'm jacked up and I'm banked up and I'm hella faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm jacked up and I'm banked up and I'm hella faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, you elevate it, you.
Then I'm going to be cutting through my ears and I'm going to put the cap behind my ears. This way it sits really good. And then we're gonna cut off the cap. So I'm cutting it very close to where I have glued. This ball cap method is very good to secure and save your baby hairs. So I'm gonna use my foundation to tint the wig cap and also tint the wig.
You love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you
And as you can see, look how perfect that looks on my skin. Lace is looking snatched.
sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love
Moving on, I'm going to be using this glue by Sister's Touch. I have not tried this yet, but I really love the thickness of it. This glue is really good. My wig was basically perfect. It sat on for so many hours. I took it off the next day. I only had a little bit of lift. Other than that, it was amazing to use.
when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back.
I like to spread the glue so I can have a thin layer, and this way you can build it up to 2 layers if you want, depending on how long you want to wear your wig. I tend to put a lot more by the ears because the ears are so much harder to stick on as they always go up. Make sure you wait for the glue to clear before you put the wig on, otherwise it will just have some white patches. I'm gonna use this baby hair tool thingy to just press on the hair, and this is gonna help the lace to just melt into my skin. This tool is also from Sister's Touch.
Home. You love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you sit right here. Nah, you can't go back home.
I'm jacked up and I'm banked up and I'm hella faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm jacked up and I'm banked up and I'm hella faded. You bend it down and you poke.
We are now going to be blow drying it so it can stay. So to cut the lace, I'm just gonna cut it into 3 sections. Then I'm gonna cut it using a zigzag motion.
Poke it up and you elevate it, you elevate it.
I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page over. You the best thing, I done slaved over. Gon' arch you back and been way over. It's overdue for that understressing.
I'm also going to be reducing a little bit by the ears, as that may be a bit longer. You want it to sit perfectly and you want it to fit you perfectly. If you have missed any parts, just go back in with your glue, add some on, blow dry it, and then stick it on. And then I'm gonna just fix that part with my powder.
Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing. Like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want. You was rocking with me when I couldn't stay afloat. They ain't never saying nothing wavy to a boat. Like, eyes up, look at me, now I'm the captain. Brought the camera.
So I'm gonna use my water bottle spray. I have leave-in conditioner and water mixed in this bottle. We are going to be spraying it all over the hair. Comb it through, add some more leave-in conditioner, and style.
time for action. Split the legs just like a fraction. Tuck the napkin, time for snacking. You a motherfucking meal. Tell me that it's mine, baby, tell me that it's real. Hit it to the max, well, tell me how it feel. It's gonna be a minute cause I'm in it for the thrill. Make her feel like heaven, she gon' put me in the wheel. And willingly I wanna do anything she wanna do. I ain't even.
So I'm gonna use a powder to just enhance that middle parting.
Wanna boo, but this is what the karma do. It's hard to be apart from you, cause ooh, I
love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high.
Really love that. Okay, let's try a side parting.
Right here. Now you can't go back home.
I'm jacked up and I'm banked up and I'm hella faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and
Again, I'm using the wax stick to tame the hair.
You love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that ass so low. Make you sit right here now.
Honey, oh, look at this side part. This is giving me moods, baby. Look at this afro. Damn, some selfies, of course. All right, let us change the hairstyle.
You can't go back home.
I'm jacked up and I'm banked up and I'm hella faded. You bend it down.
So I'm thinking we should do a bun. Now I'm gonna leave out some baby hairs. I really want to do dramatic baby hairs for this look. For some reason, I'm just feeling a little bit extra today.
You poke it up and you elevate it. I'm jacked up and I'm banked.
Again, we're using our wax stick to style the hair. Yo, I love a wax stick. This is my best friend, you guys. Wax stick plus hot comb equals to perfect hairstyle. So I'm going to use this elastic band to help me put the hair up in a bun without having to pull the lace. So we're going to be brushing through the hair up in a pony. Also use a hot comb to manipulate the hair so we can have it in a bun.
Up and I'm hella faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it, you elevate it.
I came over,
I'm going to use a rubber band to put it into a bun. I like using rubber bands because they are so much secure.
sober, I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when this page over. You the best thing I done slaved over. Gon' arch you back and been way over. It's overdue for that understrap.
That hair is laid. So for the back, we are going to be pulling it down, and then I'm going to use bobby pins to secure the back.
Over him, now you underdressing. Call me up and I come finessing. Like, ooh, we shot it, what it do, what it don't. Baby, you a queen, you can move how you want.
So I'm using a leave-in conditioner to apply onto the hair.
You was rocking with me when I couldn't stay afloat. They ain't never saying nothing wavy to a boat. Like, eyes up, look at me, now I'm the captain. Brought the camera, time for action. Split the legs just like a fraction, tuck the napkin.
Then I'm going to be using the Eco Styling Gel to bring back the curls and activate it.
Time for snacking, you a motherfucking meal. Tell me that it's mine, baby, tell me that it's real.
Then I'm gonna trim the baby hairs as well.
Hit it to the max, well, tell me how it feel. It's gonna be a minute cause I'm in it for the thrill. Make her feel like heaven.
So again, I want really dramatic and extra baby hair, so I'm just playing around with this, you guys. I don't even know what I created. Yo, I'm so extra. What the hell am I doing? But anyway, it turned out so great and so amazing. Everybody loved this when I posted it on my Instagram.
You gon' put me in the wheel and willingly I wanna do anything she wanna do. I ain't even wanna boo, but this is what the karma do. It's hard to be apart from you, cause ooh, I
love it when I get so high and drop.
So again, I'm gonna use the Eco Styling Gel to just activate some curls. So I'm pulling out a little bit of hair randomly just to make it extra nicer. Because baby, I am so extra. Look at that. Damn, honey. Look at the back. Loved how this look turned out. This was my favorite. Everybody absolutely loved it. The compliments were amazing. Thank you so much, you guys. I hope to see you on my next video. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment down below and tell me which style was your favorite. Bye, guys.
had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you rolled up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong